In just 6 applications, this shampoo and conditioner combo strengthens weak links on colored, bleached, or damaged hair. There are many products available to choose from L'Oréal Paris shampoo and conditioner, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. After an extensive investigation, I discovered that these products benefit people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. Let's watch the video without further ado. Number 1. L'Oréal Paris Everpure Glossing System. Glossing Hair Care Kit for Glossy Hair. Everpure Glossing gives hair a glossy finish that lasts while also leaving hair highly lustrous and healthy looking. For shiny, silky hair. For all textures and types of hair. Balanced pH for hair care. The optimal pH range for hair can be changed by chemical and coloring treatments. Various solutions with a balanced pH of 4 to 6, leaving hair highly shining, are available in Everpure Glossing with acidic pH shine technology. Sulfate-free, paraben-free, dye-free, gluten-free, and vegan as a whole. Argan oil is used. UV filter and anti-fade. Soft on the color. Confirmed by stylists who color hair. The aroma of Everpure Glossing is opulent, fresh, and floral with undertones of rose and sandalwood. Number 2. L'Oréal Paris Everpure Bonding Shampoo and Conditioner Kit. In just 6 applications, this shampoo and conditioner combo strengthens weak links on colored, bleached, or damaged hair. Layers are penetrated by bond-strengthening shampoo and conditioner, strengthening hair from the inside out. Using a bonding shampoo and conditioner increases hair's resilience to daily stress and intensely conditions and strengthens hair while being kind to color. It also leaves hair soft and smooth and protects it from further damage. Validated by hair colorists to be 100% sulfate-free, paraben-free, dye-free, gluten-free, and vegan. Number 3. L'Oréal Paris Everpure Brass Toning Purple. This combination helps you maintain your ideal blonde by moisturizing and balancing brassy yellow and orange tones in blonde, bleached, highlighted, and silver hair. This hydrating conditioner and shampoo is vegan, sulfate-free, paraben-free, and devoid of harsh salts. It is infused with hibiscus and purple dye to tone brassy hair and leave it highly nourished. Even if you have color-treated hair, you may have a sulfate-free hair care routine that is tailored to your particular needs using our shampoos, conditioners, and hair treatments. We have everything you need, including treatments, masks, serums, leave-in conditioners, and frizz-fighting shampoos and conditioners. Try our thickening, hydrating, and volumizing products. Number 4. L'Oréal Paris Everpure Moisture. For colored hair, L'Oréal Paris Everpure Moisture Sulfate-free Shampoo and Conditioner offer moisture without weighing down the hair. For color-treated hair and dry hair, the Everpure Premium Quality Hair Care System with sulfate-free moisturizing shampoo and conditioner is designed. Shampoo and conditioner without sulfates, parabens, harsh salts, harsh surfactants, gluten, dyes, or vegan formula. Infused with rosemary botanicals, the Moisture System's moisturizing shampoo and conditioner completely nourish dry hair and color-treated hair with moisture, lush touch softness, and a brilliant shine. With undertones of juniper berry and jasmine, this perfume creates a lather that is totally sensory and has a fresh aroma that blooms. Number 5. L'Oréal Paris Everpure. The shampoo and conditioner combination from Everpure Simply Clean has a rich lather and powerful conditioning that completely envelopes hair in nutrients. Restores hair luster and suppleness. All hair types can use these hair products. Free of DMDM-hydantoin, phthalates, added color, and gluten. Also free of sulfates and synthetic scents. Vegan, color-conscious, and science-based. Contains hydrating rosemary essential oils. To replace moisture and restore smoothness, gently cleanse with Everpure Simply Clean shampoo and then follow with Simply Clean conditioner. Apply our elastic fiber mask 1 to 2 times per week in place of conditioner for extra intense nourishing. We have the products you need, including frizz-fighting shampoo and conditioner, nourishing leave-in conditioners, and precisely made hair treatments, masks, and serums. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.